was quick.
Hey, fellow nerds.
This is Big Nerd, Little Nerd.
Big Nerd, Little Nerd. How are you all today?
Today we've got the Sony WH CH700N noise cancelling headphones.
Excellent.
35 hours of charge.
Wireless.
Yep.
Bluetooth.
Yep. And NFC.
Excellent. So let's see what we got here on the noise canceling side here. Okay.
So it's got Google Assistant. Well, you download it.
Excellent. So WH CH700Ns. Let's open it up. See what we get. Take it out.
Blop.
Blop. Box there. Ooh, look at those. Got the blue.
Blue?
Blue. They're blue, aren't they?
Blue?
Yep. Very blue. Very cool.
So...
Got the headphones.
Yeah, and they've got a noise cancelling button there.
Yep. Got the input.
The AUX input and then the...
USB charging. Got the on-off switch.
Pause, play, and end call.
And volumes. So there's controls on the bottom there.
It's kind of glittery on the back.
Is it? It does have a kind of shine to it, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Excellent. Okay, cool. What else we got in the box? Excellent. We got the pack of stuff. Get it all out. Put that over there. Got an input cable.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So this AUX cable.
Yep. Got the USB for charging. And of course we've got the instructions, warranty. Don't forget to register. Make sure you register.
For what? Oh, for the app. Wait, for the app?
For the warranty.
Oh.
So you got the Bluetooth.
And then that's the Google Assistant. So that's how you get Google Assistant working.
Then we got a quick start guide. Got the
I think that's the men. Are they the
reference
manual?
guides. Yep.
Yeah.
Oh, excuse me. All right, so quick start guide.
Very big.
Very big, isn't it?
Oh, and it's got back.
Front and back. So, got your right and lefts. How to plug it in, charge it up. You need to charge it for 7 hours.
Oh yeah, to get the full 35 hours that they last.
Yep, then you can hook it up to your Bluetooth and adjust it.
Yeah.
Cool. All right, so we will charge this up and be right back. So welcome back. So we've charged it up.
Yep.
So let's pair it. So
Hold it for 7 seconds
Yep.
to...
hold it for 7 seconds. Okay, it's flashing blue and red.
Yeah.
So we will go into Bluetooth mode. And our device is WH CH700N.
Yeah.
Pair it up.
Connected?
Yep, all connected.
Hear it?
Yep.
Look, set up your Google Assistant. Should we do it?
Set up Google Assistant. And then you can click through your setting up Google Assistant. I guess it's all set up. It's just a couple of clicks. Should have showed everybody, but oh well. Okay.
We could have screen recorded it.
Yep. Could have.
Should we test the Google Assistant?
Okay. Okay, Google. Does it work on that, or does it work on my phone?
It's meant to come through with the microphone.
Yeah.
Okay, Google. Hey, Google. Did we set it up properly?
Oops. I just turned it off.
Could have screen recorded that as well.
I did finish setup. Alright, screen record.
screen record it. Because we're not. Oh, something just vibrated.
That's my phone.
Oh.
Okay, record video. Nope, that's a picture. Cancel. Video. Nope, that's live stream. We don't want live stream. Start now. 3, 2, 1.
On the toi.
On the toi. Google Assistant.
Next.
All right.
So, send in. Yeah.
That's Google Assistant button. Oh, the noise canceling button will be remapped to use Google Assistant.
Ah.
Okay.
I thought it would use the microphone.
And so we can continue. Allow to send you notifications. Next. All right, it's turned on. All right, push the. All right, now try it. Oh, did you hear it?
It said off.
Oh, turn.
I think you need. It said turn on notification access for Google on there. I think we need to go through this setup again.
I don't think so.
Oh wait, that was smart lock. Because it said turn on notification access for Google.
Okay.
I think we had to flip the switch. Do we have to go through the Google setup again? I think we need to.
You think?
I think.
I don't think so.
We just disconnect it and reconnect it. I think you have to, when it asks you at the end to flip all those switches, I think you have to press the thing in, I can't remember, the notification access for that.
Okay.
Google. Didn't come up
No.
this time. It's weird.
So let's see.
Volume up and down def probably works. Does it work? Oh no! Surprising. That was power off. See, I couldn't download the Google Assistant as mine's a Windows. Oh god,
Power on. Okay.
I couldn't get mine.
It's connected. Okay.
70% battery remaining. So maybe it doesn't come fully charged. Should we just try playing music?
Yeah, let's try some music. Okay.
Start trying to get the Google Assistant to work. We can do that after. We need to make sure it's no copyright music.
We just won't let it play. We'll only play it here. They won't be able to hear it.
Yeah, but it's screen recorded.
I won't put that on there.
Oh, well, you could just play our intro on it because you've got
Oh, I could
our
do.
intro on there, haven't you?
Yeah. YouTube.
Don't you have it saved as a file on there? You have it saved on the file on there, don't you?
Not on my phone.
We played it on the mixer one.
Yeah, maybe.
I don't know. We'll just have to.
You hear it?
Yep. I've not even got them on. They sound quite good. I thought you had the. Why don't you go in files and see if you do have it saved? I think you do. I think you do on it. Pretty sure I remember you downloading it to your phone. Unless it's been deleted. There's music there. Fun in there. That's what it's called, I remember. Having a little rain. Really, it's when you're playing loud music. It's quite loud. Hello, 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 hello. Hello, 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 ha. Hello, ha.
Cool.
Oh.
Yeah.
It's working now.
Mm-hmm. Yep. Can you hear that noise?
Vaguely. I can barely hear myself. Am I talking really loud?
Yeah, kind of loud.
Oh. Oh.
Okay, cool.
Oh wait, should we try the pause?
Sure.
Yeah, pause works.
Excellent.
Oh.
Well, you send it back to the beginning. That's fine.
Definitely works.
Excellent. So the controls work on the phone.
Yeah.
So you can rewind and start over and do the noise canceling, all that good stuff. Change the volumes.
That is good.
Yep, they sound really good.
Yeah.
Music sounds good. Make sure left and right.
So we bought these. These are from John Lewis.
Can't hear you.
Huh?
Yep. So you got these at John Lewis.
Yeah, for £95.
They were £95 for that. Shut that off now. Turn that off. Save the battery. Excellent. So yeah, good sound quality.
Yeah.
Noise canceling sounds pretty good.
Yeah, and it's got NFC on the back, so if you've got like a phone with NFC on the back, you can just tap it on.
Can you?
Yeah, I used to have a phone.
Well, mine's got
we
NFC.
had a Sony speaker where you could just tap it on and it would connect.
Excellent. Very cool. So those are the Sony
WH
CH700Ns. Excellent. So there you have it.
Yep.
So make sure you
Subscribe.
like the channel. Go to the website.
Yeah.
See all our videos.
Website,
Yeah.
bignerdlittlenerd.com.
And we will see you later, nerds.
Bye.
Bye.